Who's my cute boy? You're so cute. Yes, you are. Who's my good boy? It's you. It's you. Hi. Hi. Good morning. You're so cute. Yes, you are. Yeah. Who's the cutest boy? Who's the cutest boy? Ooh, ooh, ooh. You like your bouncer? You want to bounce? Say, I'm so cute. Oh, the animals. Jack, look. You're looking outside. Who's my cute boy? Hi. Hi, Jack. Hi. Hi, baby. Are you falling down? Look at your little punum on that baby. Look at your little punum. Say hi, Grandma and Grandpa.